Hi guys, so today we're making our video and we are going to Underwood Family Farms in Moorpark, California. We're going for a day visit. It's not too far from our house. It's about an hour drive. It's a beautiful farm and we usually go about once a year for strawberry picking. Kids are very excited, and stay tuned. In a little while I'll show you the farm. And here are the prices. The admission on the weekend is a little, oh no, it's the same. It used to be more expensive, but it's $8 per person. So we're on the farm now. And like I said, the entrance was $8 per person, adults and kids, which is not too bad considering California prices and how much fun kids will have. So the first stop here, they're going to be feeding goats. And we bought some goat food for $1. All animals here will eat the same food. According to them, it's healthier than carrots, which used to be the case before. And here is Andrew, Anastasia, and Svetlana feeding goats. There are many activities on the farm. Some are free and some require tickets. So we chose not to buy extra tickets today. We're gonna do some strawberry picking and some animal feedings, and we'll go from there. And here are the goats. Hey guys! Andrew's busy.
Like, you don't open it. Oh, this was yours? Oh, I thought you... No, you can do it. Oh, wait, it's stuck in there.
So next on our agenda are emus. Emus are Australian water birds. Here are some information on emus. Hi there. Right there, baby. You can feed it through here.
Which one?
This one. And these birds can be a bit scary. Here's Anastasia feeding emus. You're done? Yeah, I think it's enough for them. You can move on.
Okay?
And they decided to use their 2 tickets to ride a tractor. They got 4 tickets each, and I told them to use them as they wish. So there was this tractor riding, there was a petting zoo, and other car rides, pony ride, gold mining.
Guys, who wants sausage? Who wants hot dog?
And the farm is definitely busy today. It's a Saturday. So definitely much better to come here on a weekday. That's for sure. And it's a beautiful day in California, in LA today. It's actually about 65 degrees, sunny. We finally finished with rain. We had more rain than expected this season. And we can start enjoying our outdoors now. And of course in Los Angeles we have a lot of different activities we can do with kids. And kids actually made a summer bucket list this year. I'm gonna share it with you in my next video, what we're planning to do over the summer. And yeah, it should be very interesting.
Good smile, sweetie.
Bessie? Mommy, the bridge is like as big as the bridge.
Yeah, he's almost as big as a little baby girl.
Here is the list of attractions around the farm. As you can see, there are a lot of things kids can do. And it's a huge farm.
I want to pick my own barn.
And we're on the way to strawberry picking at this time. Later. What happened?
These at the same time.
Baby, did you find one? Okay, let me see. Beautiful. Oh. Okay, you need to try it and let me know how it tastes.
No more than the
Huh?
one that's really bad is on the ground, but I can't pick it.
Okay, get one from the bush.
Because this one already.
Yeah, look, there's a lot. Right there, they're hiding. There you go.
Sour.
Sour? Maybe you didn't pick the red one.
No, wait, no, sweet. But they all might be sour because I just picked them.
Okay, let's see.
Do I eat all the way or put it?
Yeah. So here we are at the strawberry field, and as you saw, the strawberries are $2.29 per pound. So it's not free, but it's definitely a reasonable price for freshly picked organic strawberries. And there are somewhere my other two kids on the fields. We're done with our farm excursion for today, and I hope the kids are happy. Andrew's eating ice cream.
It's popsicle.
Popsicles. We got some strawberries. We got some peas. We saw animals. And that's it for today. Bye-bye.